guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to take you guys through how to use your mobile phone as a webcam on your PC. How to use your mobile phone as a webcam on your PC. So in this video, what you are going to need is simply your mobile phone, being it Android or an iPhone, and you have to get Wi-Fi. So you have to connect both phones on the same Wi-Fi. So here I connected my phone hotspot to my laptop, so they are both on the same Wi-Fi. And we also need a software called the Iriun Webcam. So when you go to your Google Chrome, just enter iriun.com and download the webcam for your required machine. So maybe in case you are using Mac, you can download for Mac Ubuntu. Here I'm using Windows, so I am going to download that of Windows. I've already downloaded it and I've installed it already. Here is it. So I'm just going to also install the same Iriun Webcam on my phone. So when I'll just search for Iriun. This is it. So I've already installed it on my phone too. So I'll just go on and open it. Yes, so this is how it looks like. Open it, and I'll open it on my phone too. Then immediately it connects. It connects immediately. So I'm just using my phone as the camera. Yes. So this is basically how to use your phone as a webcam. How to use your phone as a webcam on your PC. Thanks for watching. Please do hope to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.